Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. All right. Today is a really good Monday for us. I sold the Craftsman My Stride today. I lost out on $25 because I should have kept my mouth shut. The guy worked in Farmingdale, and I work in Farmingdale, and then somehow, some way, we knew each other. So he made me an offer, and I just let it go. But during the day, I spotted this Troy-Bilt XP lawnmower, very similar to the Husqvarna. I'm going to leave that in the car, that I sold for $240. So this is going to sell. I got it running and driving, so I will service that, clean it up, make it look nice. But the most important part for today is that the homeowner's package is sold. The guy screwed me the other day, but I finally got somebody. The only thing is I have to deliver it about 45 minutes, which really isn't, a big deal. I will take that. The most important part is that I got money in the bank and I got rid of this snowblower. So if I was to split this all up, I'd probably be missing out on $250 I missed out on if I was to split this package up. But if you guys remember, I had so little into the pool. I have less than $100 into this pool. The pool and I bought last year with another snowblower, and the snowblower that I sold last year paid for both snowblowers, plus I had money on top. So right now I'm going to warm up Mandingo, get him ready for the long ride. It's supposed to be about 45 minutes. We are going to hit traffic. And believe it or not, I did secure another lawnmower. Hopefully the guy is making good on it. I lowballed him, and he agreed to the price if it's still available. So hopefully I'll be having another lawnmower on the way back. So I would not take that trip to pick up a lawnmower by itself. So I think the money that I'd be losing out on, I'm going to be making up by picking up this lawnmower. I just have these two dropped off for service today. So we have a Craftsman lawnmower, your typical 6.5, okay, and then a pressure washer too that needs repair. She didn't leave me the gun, the hose, or nothing, so I got to let her know she has to bring this back. It's leaking oil. I don't know. She says it runs, but it's not building pressure, so we'll see. So we're going to be rocking and rolling. This past weekend was, really, really good for us, fixing and flipping equipment. Remember, we had the hedge trimmer sold. We had the Craigslist job lot 3 sold in less than 24 hours. And I think we just got parts in the mail for the job number for the Craigslist jackpot lot number 2. Remember, I ordered the self-propelled mechanism, and then the blade adapter should be coming in hopefully this week too, so then I could sell both lawnmowers. I didn't get a chance to work on the Snow Commander. I'll be honest with you, I highly doubt I'm going to sell that in the summer. So I think I'm going to clean it up, get it running, maybe put it up for sale, but I'm going to throw it in storage no matter what. I just don't see it. But if somebody wants to buy it, then I'll take it out. But this is, like I said, homeowner's package deal. Say goodbye. So, like I said, killer week. We're definitely doing over 1,000. So super stoked about that. A lot of money back into the flip fund. Well, not a lot. Some money back into the flip fund. A lot of money into the IEF fund. And just doing what I'm doing. So I will see you guys on the next episode. What do I have to do? It's getting nicer out, so we definitely have to get on that snapper for my brother-in-law. I have to put down my first treatment for the grass. If you guys remember, I'm a grass hole. I'm actually converting to Kentucky Tall Fescue, so I'm going to be documenting that journey. Not a lot of people, not everyone I spoke to has Kentucky grass here on Long Island, but I am going to make this work. If you guys, any of you guys that live down south, your grass has me feeling some type of way you guys could stripe. So if you guys see my introduction, I post a picture of my lawn that I'm very, very proud of. It stripes pretty good, but I want it better. I want it better. So thanks for checking us out. We're babysitting. My brother Romeo. So I think we got to take him for a walk. Yeah, he's got to go for a walk. And then I'll be making my way towards Brookhaven. So I'll see you guys later. Appreciate the views. And till the next one. Oh yeah, and don't forget, like and subscribe for more small engine repair how-tos, flip and flicks videos. There is definitely money to be made out there. If you have the time, the hustle, the strength, I'm going to take you on this journey with me. I will show you how to do it. Later. So, we just got done. Brookhaven, we dropped off everything. The guy was really nice. Oh, up on the tailgate. He actually gave me an extra $25 that was not negotiated. So the commute took actually less than an hour. And then while we were there, we went to go pick up something else. You know, something for the house. You know, we're a smart home. And so we picked up a better Wi-Fi system for our home. Look where I found the garbage for free. And it has to be. So I have a feeling, they left this out. I have a feeling that the fuel lines probably broke inside and they're not getting gas, or it's a carburetor. And these things are really cheap. Oh, look, you can see the gunk inside here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so I don't think it's going to take much to get this thing running. I mean, probably right off the bat, I'm not even going to try and clean the carburetor. It's a V2 cycle. I'm just going to order a new one. And the fuel lines are stiff, so they make a kit for this. So this is going to be awesome. So this will probably cover everything. I don't know, maybe $100. What do you think? It takes the different heads, the different attachments. So, yeah, man. So, Monkey Madness is, Monday Madness is a good deal. Got way back, getting some food. Wifey's inside with the dog. So, yeah. Today was a good day.